Juni somthum santi somni paruk ani hei chu makati khop maya achan chu United States Supreme Court hianin Donald Trump pa doda zong Donald Trump pa executive order kal zong in thutluk na aron siam tlata hei makati khop maya Trump pa po hian mak atin ka ringa athin rim po ka ringa ni hepon makati khop mai he thila hi chu US Supreme Court te po hetianga thutluk na an siam tamai hi amak kati khop mai ni hetilei kan react mai he kan en ho lokang
I hun nei na zirlo wangin ini samhan lo ni mai thei I har sana chingfel turin itan RK construction an ome I boipui ngai mi lovin soil test le building permit an boipui sak thei cha civil engineer architect monitoring na noya in hun lai atanga building sakzo thlengin an tho sak thei che ani tin I inchung chau chei that ilu point red niam takin an khoi sak thei bok che chu mai ba ka ceiling specialist an nia biak in le ko han building a red niam te in an siam sak thei boke I building hui to tak kha thia kher ngai lovin athom na column strengthening retrofitting anti thei boke RK construction 8837 333
RK construction te in lo dor ve theu doni o
In a major decision in the past hour, the United States Supreme Court has just ruled against President Donald Trump's executive order
Trump hian in executive order asaina chu Supreme Court hian in aron block mak mai ni
limiting automatic citizenship. As guaranteed under the 14th Amendment, U.S. citizenship is granted to all persons born or naturalized in the United States.
14th Amendment hian in United States a chonin aphal zawang reng khop maya United States a piang shim dan dik tak zoma lut an ni emo dan kala aruka illegal immigrants kan ti ang chi ho khamo Trump te pon an thon ho chu to kha dan kala United States a luta faron nei te kha 14th Amendment kha chonin United States citizenship nei aphal saklat mai ni tin khami mai ni lawa hey visa reilo te chung ting khanin khami mang khan United States a an ron zin zuaya khatia an ron zin zuai lai khanin fan ron nei ni an fa te po khanin 14th Amendment noi chonin United States citizenship an nei thei don hi Donald Trump a chonin tha atilo anga ida na ni lo he tieng te chonin dan dik lo ron lun fan ron ne chen an don ra dik don ra hleinem te kha ative bui lawang ti a soi thei lo ani o Trump pu ya hi chumo khatia khathi lom je ania chu wan chonin Trump anga ida na ni lawa khatia ngani awang khanin executive order kha assign mak mai ani a chan chu du ron luta fa ron nei zoi hole de yang chi United States citizenship lo nei ti ringot kha Trump an aphal lo chu wang chonin khatiang khan executive order kha assign mak mai ni ma se thil pakhat ka thre tur chu khatianga executive order assign kha United States Supreme Court nuai I court niam jok te chonin an lo block sak to ani mo an lo block sak to ani ti chonin hei tu na hianin Supreme Court lampang chon hetiang hianin aron tile ta ani
Trump had sought to end automatic citizenship for children born to parents in the country illegally or on temporary visas.
Dan diklo manga United States salut le temporary visa khatiang chi manga United States rang kala faron nei zuai an fate United States citizenship nei kha Trump a chonin a rem ti lova chu wang chonin birthright citizenship kan ti hi Trump a chonin ti to pa du ni ke chu hi ka thopa a tha ka tia dan kal na United States valuta an fa piang te citizenship an nei le rengot kha thil dikan ilo shim ani chu wan chon heti lai chonin Trump hi ka support ang reng khop maya ma senga tinge tiang hian in Supreme Court lampang hen tiang an ron ti dei na san hi hriat chi na cha om khop mai
Earlier executive order was blocked by lower courts, sending the case to the nation's highest court.
Court hiam lampang in an block a chu wan chonin an block awang hanin Supreme Court lama chawa Supreme Court lampang point an ron block le ni
Payne is at the Supreme Court in Washington DC. She's joining us live. This was a much anticipated ruling by the court. Just talk us through what's been going on.
Henry Supreme Court oma soyang soirole felania soyang
It is, and I have to say, it is the thickest Supreme Court decision that I have ever read. It is a 5.5 to 4 decision because Justice Kavanaugh said that he disagreed that it went against the 14th Amendment, but that it did violate the statute putting in place the 14th Amendment. So, in essence, the Supreme Court is now saying anyone born in the United States, whether you're born to undocumented immigrants, whether you're born to people on a student visa, a work visa, a tourist visa, you are still a U.S. citizen. The chief
Hey, Supreme Court lampangina an block na chan ber nia lang chu Trump na executive order asaina khanin atuma chu acha adika amaro chu dana zom veklo ti ang zong khan ka hria thiam dan de bani chuan hetiang ani chonin Supreme Court hianina phal chu United States a hianin dan kala in ron lu ani emo tourist visa work visa student visa manga United States a in ron ama fa in ron nei ni chuan in fa zong te khanin US citizenship an nei theyang ati na tluk ani
Chief Justice John Roberts wrote, the framers of the 14th Amendment extended that promise to every freeborn person in the land. We keep that promise.
14th Amendment CM2 ten an soidan chuanin kami 14th Amendment khanin United States a piang zong te kha khatiang khanin zalen na asiam saka chuwan chuanin ke ni Supreme Court te khanin kami 14th Amendment lo CM chuak tu te thule hla kha kan za ani tiang zong khanin an soi ni
today. Now this was very
masake chu a hun laya an lo siama kha mana khanan siam tong 14th Amendment po khamo mase mana khatianga an lo siam to kha tunu na he chuanin applicable to lo hi chu khovel pumpe hin kan thria dangai politics a ponia business a ponia social media te poni mana thil trending deu mana thanga kan ngai kha tunu a chuanin thil thalo tam takhi om ve ni entia to te po United States te po hi han ngai to chiang maula mana te chuan illegal immigrants te po an tlem via wang chuwan chuanin hetiang thil hi min an boi pui vak lawang mase tuna chuanin aruga United States a lut ruan tam to ani chuwan chuanin he thil te po hi han thak dang lam ve se chu an mani ram khen an that pui dei jok do na Mizoram te po hian ngai to ula dan kala Mizoram ron luta ron piang khabi kha citizenship ngal lo pek zel kha chuanin adik don lo ra India raman ron lu wang rengot khan khatiang kha thil om zia ania chuwan chuan mana thil applicable tuna te po Supreme Court te pon za takin he hi chu kan din pui zel do da ni lo mu chuak tu te spirit kha ngai poi mo in tiang zong an soi te po kha ain mil to lo tu da chu na boi thak
much a central issue to the president Donald Trump. He signed that executive order on his very first day in office.
Trump kha office akal first day akal ni masak ber khan he executive order he assign ngala ni assign ni te pon ka riek nge in ka ria he ti le chu tha ka ti apoi mo ka ti mo
second term he came to the Supreme Court, the first ever sitting president to do that, to hear arguments. He left when they started to say some critical things about his executive order. I've been checking on social media. He has been posting about the previous two cases that the Supreme Court issued this morning, but so far no reaction from him yet, unless it's happened in the last 30 seconds.
Trump po hian in Supreme Court na tutluk na lo siam to ang si hi social media la ma te po a comment maro chu tu na bi khi chuanin engma comment la nei lo a chan chu he thili a fresh lutuk ani dar kar chan vekal ta ve lan news an ron puang ania te hian kan ron puang chong ve le ani ke mani hian mo a fresh rem ala lum ther
on birthright citizenship. So again, this was a huge case before the Supreme Court. They waited till their final day of this session, the very last decision, to issue it. But now the law of the land stays what it has been for more than 100 years.
Kumza chuang dan an mana kha Trump khan ron thak dang lama tuma ma se Supreme Court chuan in a rem tilawani kha tak khania kumza kalta hey thil an man kha tu na hianin lati renga la enforce rekan tu mai chu tha ka tilo school tepo college tepo hatia tepo hem mana kum zakal ta khan Indian blackboard a thil na in zirtira to na khovel changkang to tak artificial intelligence e cha kan cheng to wa chuan hun rei tak chung kha blackboard kha kan lamang charger tu naya tak tak hian ania tianga smart board te projector ma PPT PowerPoint presentation mang te khatiang vel ma kan han in zirtir chho chan mo chuwan chuanin khovel achangkang angzele kan hun le mun azir zel te po hian in herdang lam thiam te po hi a thang reng khop maya hei entinan me sumdong te po hi a kan style hi thalom mana kan lo ti to thin dan ania tireng ta se tunang khovela te chonin Instagram te lo hianin customer te po hi zon mui har to te umaya nia Instagram te mang du mi lo se social media in post du mi lo se minan she to don lo ti na ni tunang khovela chon mo khatiang kha ania a hun le am hun zir zel hianin han kan mindset te kan nun dan te po hianin adapt chho ve zel mai turania to Supreme Court te po khanin kum za chuang an lo man to kha la man zel turani an te khatiang ani kha chonin tourist visa student visa work visa manga United States a relo te ma fa va nei te ang te khanin an fa te kha birthright citizenship mang hianin United States citizenship United States citizen ani ve zel thei to dona tin apoi ber chu dan kala United States lut te ni khap khang te po khan fan nei chuanin an fa te kha legally in 14th amendment khan a phal sak mewa legally in United States citizen kha ani ve zel thei to don ti na nia he thil hi chu Supreme Court ina thutluk na United States Supreme Court ina thutluk na asiam to chuanin avati om ang lowe o kalo ti ve ni chu ke he lai Mizoram tribal sangwal hian
If you were born in the U.S., you are an American.
Paddy, you were saying that this was something that was central to Donald Trump. It was one of the first orders that he put in place, or attempted to put in place, in the early part of his presidency. What does this mean for Donald Trump?
Donald Trump atani
Well, it means that the Supreme Court has blocked him yet again. They did that on tariffs as well.
tariff sung cha po Supreme Court hian an lo block to ani ale atiang to viu ani Supreme Court hian Trump hi an tran vak lo ni tur ani video le ganin mole thau do ne